Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered why our system working slow? What's the reason behind that and why it's not working? So without installing any third-party software and find out why our system is working very slow. So let's find out. So before proceeding further, we need to go on PowerShell and run it as an admin command. Run it as an admin. Now within that we need to mention these commands. Don't worry, I'm gonna mention these commands on description box. Now after writing that command, we see some option which says T3D. What's that? It represents computer graphics performance, basically for gaming and heavy tasks. Now this core that represent primary hard disk speed and SSD speed. Now, graphics store represent the current graphic roles, 3D performance, etc. Memory scope, it shows the RAM speed. WinSPR, it represent overall score, if the score is good or bad. Let me show you. If score is below 7, then we need to upgrade the RAM or SSD as per the computer requirement. Right now we can see there is a 6. So yeah, since long time I'm facing some slow SSD, so I need to upgrade my SSD as well. So in this way we can troubleshoot our computer without installing any third-party software. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you.